in terms of the market. So the last 5 sessions, right? If you take the close from the 28th of March, that's 5 sessions. The Nifty is up 4%. The bank Nifty is up 4%, roughly about 4%. The small cap index is up a full 6% in just 5 trading sessions. The mid cap index is up a little lesser than that, actually exactly half of that, about 3%. So it's been a decent move. Even before that entire SVB and bank crisis, people have been waiting for this quote-unquote tactical rally. I mean, if you remember, Nareen mentioned that it didn't happen. The bank crisis in the US overtook events. Then it moved on to Europe. But now I think we are finally at the point where the markets have broken out, not entirely from the big range, the downward sloping range, but this is indeed looking much better now. Let me just, so the RBI has paused, but it sounded hawkish. And I think the implications of this will continue to be debated, whether this is a pivot, this is a pause, or this is an extended pause. What happens if the Fed comes and hikes? Will the RBI have to rethink, etc., etc.? US data is starting to come in very soft, very nicely soft data, which I think is, which at one point was markets would have celebrated, but not anymore. Equity markets are not celebrating because they're saying, well, this is telling you that there is a big slowdown which is coming. The final big data point is the jobs report, which is tomorrow evening. Either it'll reinforce these dovish expectations or, I mean, it'll kind of throw up a surprise. Either way, I think it's going to be important to track. So on the Nifty and the Bank Nifty, just 2 levels. So, to start with, before I put the levels, unless and until you get a big negative daily close, I think the chances are that the uptrend perhaps has a little bit more to go on the upside. We've not had those big sort of red bars on a daily close for at least 5 or 6 sessions now. Let's hope that remains the case. On the Nifty, 17,615, the level around which the Nifty spent the maximum amount of time today, I think is the important level. It's about 15 points away, but that's the 38% retracement of the entire fall from 18,887. The 50% retracement after is straight away at 17,858. It's so another 270 points away. On the Bank Nifty, 41,200 is the first resistance, and then you got 41,382, which is the 50% retracement of the same fall from the all-time high for that particular index. So I think, as Nigel also said, and the governor said, take it ball by ball, hope that positive cues keep coming in, global markets remain steady, and 3 days later when we come back on Monday morning, we are handed okay kind of cues.
Oh, absolutely.